Today, hi friends. Today I am now discussing about the uh, new rhymes is cobbler, cobbler, mend my shoe. Speak with me. Cobbler, cobbler, mend my shoe. Get it done by half past two. Half past, stitch it up and stitch it down. Then I'll give you half a crown. Repeat again this poem. Repeat again this poem also. And now this poem is Pussycat, 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 where have you been? I have been to London to visit the Queen. What did Pussycat, Pussycat, what did you there? I frightened a little mouse under the chair. And also repeat again and again and learn this poem. This one is also an English rhyme. The dog says bhaw. The dog says, speak with me. The dog says bhaw. The cat says meow meow. The sheep says baba. Little pig says wee wee. The watch says tick tock. The clock, the hen says cluck cluck. The hen cock says cock a doodle doo. See, this is dog bhava, speak bhava, and the cat say meow meow. The baba say baba. The sheep says, and what says tick tock, and hen says cluck cluck, and pig says wee wee. And now this one poem is you shall have an apple, you shall have an apple, you shall have a plum, you shall have a rattle. That when your dad comes home, do you know about an apple? Everyone eat an apple. So learn this poem, repeat again and again and again. Hi friend, this one poem is Hickory Dickory Dog. This is an English rhymes for LKG nursery student. Hickory dickory dog, speak with me. Hickory dickory dog, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dog. Starts new poem. Jack and Jill. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling up chair. And also, all child repeat again also. Now let's start new poem, new rhymes, English rhymes. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Now speak with me. Are you sleeping, Brother John? Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing, ding dong bell, ding dong bell. Now let's start new rhymes. Baba Black Sheep. Headline is Baba Black Sheep. Speak with me, dear all child. Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, yes, sir. 3 bags full. One for my master, one for his dam, one for the little boy who lives down the lane. Let's start new nursery English poem. Ringa, whose headline is Ringa Ringa Roses. Ringa Ringa Roses, a pocket full of posies, a tissue, we all fall down. Speak with me. Ringa Ringa Roses, a pocket full of posies, a tissue, we all fall down. Now also new rhymes. Roses are red. Headline is Roses are red. Roses are red. Violets are blue. Sugar is sweet, and so are you. Now this one poem is by Baby Bunting. Headline is by Baby Bunting. By baby, speak with me. Why, Baby Bunting, Daddy's gone a hunting, gone to get a rabbit skin to wrap the baby bunting in. Most wanted rhymes is for nursery student. Dip, 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 my red ship. Dip, 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 my red ship, sailing in the water like. Dip, 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 my red ship.
हम भी बोलेंगे dip.
Let's start. Speak with me, dear child. Dip, 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 my red sea, sailing in the water like a cup and saucer. Dip, dip, dip. Cross buns, hot cross buns, hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. If you have no daughters, give them to your sons. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. Now repeat again. Hot cross buns poem. Again and again repeat this poem and also learn this poem for nursery student, nursery LKG students. Two little dicky birds. Let's start these rhymes. Two little dicky birds. Two little dicky birds sit upon a wall. One named Peter, one named Paul, the other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Now start a new poem. There was a little girl. Headline. There was a little girl and she had a little curl right in the middle of her forehead. When she was good, she was very good, but when she was bad, she was right. Now, repeat again and again this poem. Let's start another one. Poem is Seesaw. Everyone see seesaw. Every child know about the seesaw because everyone wants to play a seesaw up and down, up and down. Seesaw up and down, which is the way to London town? 1 foot up and the other foot down. That is the way to London town. That is the way to London town. Do you understand? This is seesaw up and down के तरह ही लंदन टाउन है. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? चलिए, हमें भरोसा है कि इस पोएम को ज़्यादा आप लोग इन्जॉय करिएगा. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट ए न्यू पोएम, इंग्लिश राइम्स, हुज हेडलाइन इज 1 2 3 4 5. Enjoy, all child, this poem. 1 2 3 4 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6 7 8 9 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? the little finger on the right. Let's enjoy another rhymes in English. Whose headline is 1 2. 1 2. Buckle my shoe. 3 4. Shut the door. 5 6. Pick up the stick. 7 8. Let them stay. 9 10. A big fat hen. Thank you. Now a new another poem whose headline is Teddy Bear in English. Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, polish your shoes. Teddy bear, off the school. Now next one poem is Sunny Bunny. There are two brother and sister. Little boy Sunny and little girl Bunny exchanged their dress and looked so funny. Which one is Sunny? Which one is Bunny? They are so funny. Oh, so funny. And next one poem is in English poem is Cock a doodle doo. Cock a doodle doo. Now speak with me. Cock a doodle doo, my dame had lost her shoe. My master's lost his fiddling stick and knows not what to do. दोस्तों, अगर आप लोगों को ये सेशन अच्छा लगा तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब जितना हो सके शेयर करिए, जिससे कि बहुत सारे बच्चे मतलब कि पढ़ सके अच्छे से और राइम्स सीख सके, क्योंकि बच्चों के मस्तिष्क विकास के लिए पोएम्स राइम्स इंग्लिश हिंदी राइम्स बहुत ही ज़रूरी है। और नेक्स्ट हम लोग दूसरे हिंदी राइम्स को भी लेके आएंगे, क्योंकि अभी तो इंग्लिश राइम हम लोगों ने अपलोड किया है। और सारे वीडियो को आप लोग देख लीजिएगा और चैनल को ज़रूर से ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करिएगा और शेयर भी ज़रूर करिएगा, क्योंकि इससे अभी बच्चे को बहुत ही फ़ायदा। अभी नर्सरी स्कूल सब बंद है, तो कुछ न कुछ प्री स्कूल के लिए LKG में बच्चों के एडमिशन में कुछ ना कुछ पूछा जाता है, तो कुछ ना कुछ राइम्स आना ज़रूरी होता है। तो अगर बच्चे कुछ राइम्स सीख जाएंगे आपके तो अच्छा रहेगा बच्चे के लिए, उसका कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स डेवलप होगा कुछ ना कुछ। चलिए, थैंक यू। और क्या बोलना, सब्सक्राइब अवश्य करिएगा, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर से ज़रूर करिएगा। थैंक यू।